Welcome back, good buyers. We got here a new Amazon Fire 7 9th Gen with Alexa. Do you think this is still a good buy 2020? Let's have a look. The updated Amazon Fire tablet now have a built-in storage of 16 GB and comes with Alexa. Front packaging have the tablet picture, the Fire 7 on the top, 16 GB and the Amazon logo on the bottom. At the back it has some descriptions, and the rest we will talk about that one later. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Included in the box is the Fire tablet, the power adapter, the USB charging cable, the welcome card with some instructions, and the tablet user manual. I got the Twilight Blue, but you can also get the Black, Plum, and the Sage. Now let's check the technical specs of the tablet. This tablet has a display of 1024 by 600 resolution at 171 ppi, SD video playback with IPS screen. It has a processor of MediaTek 8163 and a CPU of quad-core 1.3 GHz with 16 GB of RAM. Storage comes in a 16 GB and a 32 GB internal storage. You can add in micro SD card for up to 512 GB of additional storage. Battery life of this device is up to 7 hours of reading, browsing the web, watching video, and listening to the music claimed by Amazon. But I tested it out by browsing and watching videos all day. Battery lasted only for 5 hours max. Charging time is approximately 4 hours using the micro USB power adapter included in the box. It has a USB port micro B connector to connect to a PC or Mac computer, or to charge your device with the included power adapter. It has a 3.5mm stereo jack and an integrated speaker. The camera is a 2 megapixel front and rear facing camera with 720p HD video recording. Setting up the device takes few minutes to finish. It needs to upgrade to a latest version before you can use it. Then you need to set up the purchasing options, which is a bit of a hassle if you want to download something. But once everything is set up, you can buy or download with no issues. You can also set up a kids account in this tablet so that you can restrict the usage of this tablet and the app that they're gonna access. You can set goals or time limits of how long the kids can use the device. There is also age filters. You can add, remove content. You can enable or disable in-app purchases, disable web browser, disable camera and photo gallery. When you turn on the tablet, you will be greeted with Amazon Fire OS Screen UI. You have the home screen and all the apps included. Swipe to the left will give you books, videos, games and apps, music, Audible, Newsstand. That all came from Amazon. Installing apps is quite disappointing since there is no Google Play Store installed in this tablet. Amazon has a built-in app store, but not all apps are available. There is also no Google Chrome, but it has a Silk browser that you can use for browsing the web. Gmail and YouTube is also not available in this device, but you can download an app, but not the usual interface you are familiar with. Build quality. For the build quality, this Amazon Fire is fairly chunky tablet with a rounded edges that is easy to hold. It has a matte plastic finish, and on the front it has a 7-inch screen display with a 1024 by 600 resolution. And the top portion is the 2 megapixel front-facing camera, and on the side you will find the flap for the micro SD card, which supports up to 512 GB additional storage. On the left side is the mono speaker. Up to the top you'll find the volume control, 3.5 headphone port, micro USB port, and the power button. On the back part is the 2 megapixel camera and the Amazon logo. I also tested this tablet with some casual games like Candy Crush, Clash of Clans, and Mobile Legends. Tablet handles fairly okay, but there is some lagging issues, especially if there's a lot of animation going on. Playable enough for some kids app that is more on the basic graphics. Watching movies and YouTube videos on this device is not that great, since these don't have the sharpest screen. The screen is bright enough, but it can be difficult to see outdoor. This Amazon Fire 7 was good for reading books and web browsing, but not so great for watching videos, movies, or gaming. Pros and cons. What are the pros on this tablet? Price is the main reason to buy this device, plus the built-in Alexa is an added bonus. Build quality is nice on its price point, good for reading ebook and web browsing. Ideal tablet for kids if you don't want to spend too much. What are the cons on this tablet? If you are an Android user, you will be disappointed because there is no Google Play Store installed. Screen is not that readable on outdoor, and the annoying ads every time you open the tablet. Is it a good buy? Yes, if you're on a tight budget and you want a tablet for your kids which they can play around with, this is a good buy. Till next time, good buyers.